Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Jaden M. Jaden, this is the console that you sent in for service. It is a Corona V1 motherboard, so it's a 16 megabyte NAND. It did not require a postfix, and we were able to RGH it using a Matrix V1 chip and the what's called muffin configuration. So the timing file that gets written to it is a muffin 3_1 timing file. It gets glitch 2 with the CR4 box checked glitch images built out of JRunner. And it boots really nice and quick on these Coronas. We did the blue LEDs as per your request. There's a disk in this paper sleeve here that's got backups of all of your files, your original NAND dumps, your CPU key, freestyle -- launch, a couple other goodies. So feel free to pop that in your PC and check it out. Otherwise, it's configured with Freestyle Dashboard. There's video links in the confirmation email that link to a tutorial series by XX Modded Warfare, and then another one that it links to just a high-level how to navigate around by me. Check those out. But otherwise, thank you very much for your business. This console will ship back out to you tomorrow. Appreciate it.